Hello student, in today's class we are going to learn about the next experiment, that is to write an assembly language program for 1s complement of an 8-bit number using 8085 instruction. So first we have to take the data, that is 96. Now find the 1s complement of this 96. First we have to convert the 96 in binary form, that is 1001 and 0110. To obtain 1s complement of a number, its 0 bits are replaced by 1 and 1 bits are replaced by 0. So find the 1s complement of 96, that is 10010. So this is the answer of 1s complement of 96. Now we have to perform in trainer kit how to execute this 1s complement of a program, and this is the program for 1s complement. Load accumulator directly with the location 2501. Now find this accumulator data, that is 96, and find its 1s complement, that is 69. Now store this data in the memory location 2502 and stop this program. First we have to press the reset real exam, then data address, that is in the memory location 2501. Next 01 is 96. Next reset release extra memory. Now starting address of the program, that is 2000. Next in 200 location LDA instruction is present. Now the machine code of LDA instruction is 3A, so we have to press the 3A, means 3 is stored in the memory location 2000. Next in 2001 01, in next 2002 25. This is the memory location where the data is stored in 2501. First LSB is stored in the memory location 2001, that is 01, and in 2002 the MSB is stored, that is 25. Now next in 2003 location complement the data, that is machine code of CMA instruction is 2F. Next store the complement result in the memory location 2502. So in 2004 store the machine code of STA instruction. So 32 is the machine code of STA instruction. Now store the memory location, that is 2502, means 02 LSB part is stored in the memory location 2506. So next 2506 is stored the memory location, that is 02, and in 2007 25 is stored. Now in 2008 stop the program, means by using the hold instruction. So machine code of hold instruction is 76. Next reset go, then starting address of the program is 2000. Next field reset release external memory. Now data address, that is 2501. In 2501 we store the data 96. Now next, that is 2502. Next in 2502, that is 69. So 1s complement of 69, 96 is 69, that we have performed in manual method as well as in 8085 trainer kit. So in this way we have successfully completed this program.